besties, welcome back! Today, I wanted to pamper one of my besties with a salon-style mani-dip at home. I'll be doing it exactly like I would at the salon, but with tools that you could use at home. Let's get started! I've brought with me the Kiara Sky Dip Kit. This is the color 1. There is also French Kit, perfect for French manis, and of course it has added vitamins and calcium, which I love. This kit has everything you need. The glazes, of course, are all right here, and the powders here. It's so easy to use. Okay, so she's already sanitized her hands and she has no product on her nails. So we're going to start by just soaking her hand in water to get everything nice and hydrated for about 5 minutes. Alright, now I'll just dry her off. And we are ready to begin. I like to start with just gently buffing the surface of the natural nails to remove any buildup that might be left on her nail plate still. Now I like to just do a little bit of filing and shaping. She likes a very natural looking nail, so I'm not going to apply any tips today. I'm just going to square her free edge a bit. She has such beautiful nail beds. Look at that! I'm going to grab my cuticle pusher and push back her cuticles. Since she's already been soaked, we really don't need any cuticle cream. I like to just do a little gentle prep. Now that we're all pushed back, I'll grab my cuticle nippers and remove everything that I've pulled back. I'm going to grab some hand scrub and rub it into her fingers and hands, giving her a little hand massage. And now, I'm going to send her to go wash off. Since she has washed, I need to remove any oils that might have been picked up while washing. So I'll just grab my buffer and just give each finger a nice buff. The final step of prep is to take my nail file and gently kiss the surface of the nail to rough it. This will help all the product adhere to her nail and prevent lifting. So it's super important to do this. Now we're ready for application. I'll grab my bottle number 1, and apply it to her entire natural nail. Next, I'll take the base, which is bottle number 2, and apply it 3/4 of her nail and dip right into natural powder. And now we're ready for this beautiful color. Today I will be using Peachin from our new Electro Pop collection. I love this beautiful pastel neon peach. I'm going to apply base, starting a hairline from the cuticle and dip into my color at a 45-degree angle. You want to make sure this step is a hairline away so that you don't have a bulky cuticle area. Now I'm going to go back with my base and apply it to the entire nail this time and dip into my color once more. It's time to encapsulate with clear now. I also brought my trusty recycling system. I always use this thing. I start by pouring the clear right into the container. Now I'll grab my base and apply it evenly to the entire nail. Grab my scoop and pour right into the nail, making sure I get the entire nail really good. I'll do this with the rest of the nails as well. Next, I'll grab my Seal Protect, number 3. This is the activator. This stuff is what makes the nail harden and dry. Great, now it's dry. I'm going to take my file and go over the free edge. And now I'll take it and go over the entire nail, making it nice and smooth. Perfect. Time for the second coat of Seal Protect. I'm going to saturate the nail really good so that it completely cures. After this, I'm going to rub the nail with a lint-free wipe to remove any excess. Next up, top coat. For our first coat, you might notice it mattifying a bit, but don't worry, that's what it's supposed to do. It's just activating still. Now the second coat is what makes it shiny. It's looking beautiful. Now to complete her experience, I'm going to grab my favorite lotion and give her a little relaxing hand massage. Now that she's nice and relaxed and feeling great, I'm going to go in with some Nourish oil and hydrate her cuticles. And there it is, a salon style manicure at home. Thanks for joining me today, besties. If you try this at home, let me know. Pamper a friend or treat yourself. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post new videos, just like this one. Thanks, besties. See you guys next time. Bye.